Okay, we have a Ray disposable fly trap. It's got a little bait in here. Just add water and hang, trusted and proven, food-based lure. Yeah, it's got little pictures of bugs on top. I actually thought they were bugs at first. It's a really good little printed on picture. So first step is cut this little portal open. You can pull this out. And they fly in, they go through the hole, but they're not smart enough for the most part to get back out. So let's fill it up to the water to right here. Okay, I'm going to fill a little more water than usual because we're in our 30 days of 100-degree weather, and it's just going to evaporate out if I don't put more water in it. So that's about normal where they want you to fill. I'm going to go up to about here. Okay, let's go hang it. Secret to these when you fill them is hang them quickly, because once that starts dissolving it'll stink and you don't want to get it on your hands. It'll take a while to get off. Alright, put a little hook on here. Wrap this thing on top of the fence. And let the flies either way. You can already see down in here, I see it floating around. It's already dissolving. Okay, we'll check back. The bag fell off the handle. Stanky bait. I did catch some flies, but I don't see any sign of a raccoon or something coming up here.